Hello, my dear all friends. Hope you all good. Today's drawing is 3D heart sign. Take a pencil and scale and draw a perfect heart sign. First time I draw this, I don't know it will be a perfect 3D drawing or not, but I will try. So please watch this video till the end. नाउ टेक अ 6B पेंसिल फॉर डार्क शेडिंग। पेंसिल की शेडिंग से ये हार्ट साइन 3D की तरह दिखेगा। 3D ड्राइंग के लिए शेडिंग बहुत ज़रूरी होता है। लुक एट दैट ड्राइंग, द ड्राइंग लुक्स लाइक 3D नाउ। शेडिंग इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर 3D आर्ट। using paper stump for blending. You can also use cotton bud, tissue paper or makeup brush for blending. Here I am using 8B pencil for more darkness, more realistic. I am not a 3D artist. I draw this 3D drawing first time. I am only sharing my experience with you about what I did while doing this 3D drawing. I am sharing this 3D art with you after I have seen and understood how to do 3D drawing. I know there have many line problems. I know it will be improvement after more practicing. So I hope all my friends like this 3D heart sign. So like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.